Good morning, everyone. So here I am. If you have the space outside of your house or around your house or inside the house, try to find a clean, nice, comfortable place. Sit relaxed in a relaxed pose, like and when you sit, cross-legged. You don't have to put the foot in the harder position. If you can't, that's fine. Palms facing upwards towards the sky. Put it on your lap. Align your back and the neck, and try to relax and come to this moment. Relax and breathe. You can do the nostril breathing for 3 minutes. That's one of the shorts. And let's do the breathe in and pause and breathe out. Ready? Go. So breathe in, pause for a second, breathe out all the way. Have a good day.